Today, we're going to talk about how to use Zelle from Bank of America to pay Navy Federal. It's a simple process that allows you to transfer money quickly and securely. So, let's get into it. First, to use Zelle, you'll need to have the Bank of America mobile banking app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfer or Send Money feature on the app. Look for the Zelle option within Bank of America's app, and it should be easy to locate. Next, select the option to send money using Zelle and enter the recipient's details. When entering the recipient's information, ensure that you use the email address or phone number associated with their Navy Federal account. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Once the details are entered, simply input the amount you want to send. Verify all the information to ensure it's correct before confirming the transfer. Once you've confirmed, the money will be sent to the recipient's Navy Federal account instantly or within minutes. It's as simple as that. Using Zelle to send money from Bank of America to Navy Federal is fast and convenient. Remember, if you ever have any doubts or questions, feel free to reach out to your bank for assistance.